Today, we're talking about the camera that's taking quite a buzz in the market right now. This X-T50 from Fujifilm can cater all the needs of beginners and all seasoned professional, and here's why. But guys, just a disclaimer, I'm also a beginner. I'm not a professional, but this is only based on my opinion. First things first, let's look at its design. Compared sa mga ibang camera lines ni Fujifilm, the X-T series still maintains yung kanyang retro look. But guys, don't get me wrong, yung other cameras sila are beast of a camera, but I still prefer the small, compact, and the retro look of the X-T series. Besides, yung X-T series still has a tactile dial and it's very lightweight. And I believe, in my opinion, this is the perfect everyday carry camera. Under the hood, the X-T50 boasts a 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS sensor and the X Processor 5. In layman's term, you'll get a stunning picture quality, vibrant colors, and excellent dynamic range straight out of the camera. Plus, it also has a 5-axis image stabilization. Pero ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito is its video capabilities dahil meron na tong 6K 30 frames per second, 4K up to 60 frames per second, and 1080p up to 240 frames per second. But again, the most beautiful and controversial thing about this X-T50 is its simulation dial. Yung iba sabi nila it's only a gimmick, but for me, this is a big help, especially kung yung subject mo is iba-iba yung mood. You have 13 quick dials to choose from, but meron itong 20 simulations in total. But of course, my favorite is still the classic negative and the Reala Ace. The auto tracking of this camera has been drastically improved, lalong-lalo na sa human detection and animals. But of course, for me, nothing beats the autofocus of Sony. Here are some of the photos that I've taken using the X-T50 with the 27mm prime lens. So who's this camera for? Well, if you're a content creator that wants to level up your pictures, your photography, your videography with its 6K capability and its straight-out recipe or film simulation, compared to other cameras, nothing beats the Sony film simulation. If you want those grainy look, if you want those retro look on your pictures, or if you want to print it out using Fujifilm's Instax printer, I can recommend this to you. But again, this is an APS-C camera. If you want a full-frame camera, I can recommend to you any Sony full-frame cameras. But then again guys, yung weight nun is sobrang bigat and sobrang laki compared to this one. Kasyang-kasya to sa everyday carry bag ko. Even the battery life nito, if I take pictures every day for like 2, 3, 4 days, hindi pa rin siya mauubos. Though I rarely use this sa mga videos kasi mas gusto ko pa rin gumamit ng Osmo Pocket 3 or ng Action 5 Pro kasi mas stable yon. Another competitor nito na point and shoot naman is yung Ricoh GR3. Yun naman guys is talaga sobrang compact nun, but the problem is of course, yung camera lens nun is not interchangeable. If you are looking for a beefier specifications and beefier camera like this one, you can check out its big brother, the X-T5. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next tech unboxing.